Today we're making a quick and delicious Romesco sauce. It's packed with roasted red peppers, toasted almonds, and the zing of lemon zest. It's nutty, smoky, and absolutely packed with bold flavours. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane, welcome back to It's Cooking Good. This Romesco sauce is perfect. If you're looking for an accompaniment with fish, meat, chicken, this one's for you. And this is exactly how I make it. To a food processor, add 100 grams worth of roasted red peppers. You can do these yourselves or obviously buy them in a jar. 50 grams of flaked almonds, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Go spicy if you prefer. I'm not today, just standard smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, salt, pepper, and a splash of sherry vinegar. Get your lid on and pulse it. You're looking for a chunky paste, which that is. If you're happy with that consistency, just give it a little try and adjust as needed. Delicious. Place that into a bowl. You put this in an airtight container. It keeps perfectly well for quite a while actually, probably a good 4 to 5 days. There's nothing in there really that's gonna go off. And that is all there is to it. Romesco sauce. Give it one more try. So good. That goes perfectly with chicken, fish, vegetables, you name it. That will lift any dish. That's it from me for today. Really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll put all of the details of the Romesco sauce down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.